वैसे साड़ी से हमें याद आया, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो सुंदर लगे सिर्फ साड़ी में, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सुंदर लगे वो सिर्फ साड़ी में, वो तो ऐसे ही दिल जीत लेती है जब आती है स्कूटी वाली गाड़ी में। So ladies and gentlemen, you might have already get to know about whom we were talking. So please put your hands together to welcome that beautiful and cute white rose, none other than Miss Tanisha.
So Tanisha, please come on the stage and on the stage.
When life gives you 100 reasons to cry, show life that you have 1,000 reasons to smile. Hello everyone, this is Tanisha with her topic, Be the Reason for Someone's Smile. To be the reason for someone's smile means that you do something or take action that brings joy, happiness or amusement to another person. When you are the reason for someone's smile, you have made a positive impact on their emotion and brighten their day. First, act of kindness. Performing act of kindness, whether big or small, can bring a smile on someone's face. It could be helping them with a task, offering support, or surprising them with a thoughtful gesture. Your kindness shows that you care and can uplift their spirits. Second, genuine compliment. Offering genuine compliment can make someone feel appreciated and valued. When you acknowledge something positive about them, it boosts their self-esteem and brings a genuine smile to their face. Third, thoughtful gesture. Engage in thoughtful action means that you have considered the person's interests and preferences. Thoughtful gesture demonstrate your care and attention, which can evoke a smile of happiness and gratitude. And fourth, last but not the least, emotional support. Sometimes being there for someone during challenging times can make all the differences. By offering a listening ear, providing comfort, or offering words of encouragement can bring a smile of relief on someone's face. Remember, being the reason for someone's smile requires genuine care, empathy, and understanding. The smallest act of kindness and thoughtfulness can have a profound impact on someone's happiness and well-being. Thank you so much. If you want to see me in the final round, please vote for me.